A very good morning, Montfortians. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, I hope you all have read chapter 7, Independence Day. So now it's time to do back exercise of this chapter. So everyone, take out your English book, focus. Open page number 36. Page number 36. Okay. So everyone, write today's date, day and grade task on the top of this page here. Today's date is 18th October 2021, day Monday, and on other side write grade task. Okay. So let's start, students. See, in exercise A, we have to write yes or no. If statement is correct, then we have to write yes. If statement is wrong, then we have to write no. Okay. So everyone, look at the board. Write yes or no. So let's start now. First is Independence Day is a national festival. Independence Day is a national festival. Is this correct statement or wrong statement? This is correct statement. I told you this thing, that Independence Day is a national festival. So we will write here yes. Y-E-S, yes. This is correct statement. Okay. So the second is, it is a holiday for children. It is a holiday for children? No, this is wrong statement, because according to this chapter, on that day, on Independence Day, the function is there. In Sunshine School, function is there. So this is wrong statement. It is a holiday for children? No. So we will write here no, because on Independence Day function was there. So it is a wrong statement. So next is, the women in Gujarat wear pirans. The women in Gujarat wear pirans. Is this correct? No, this is wrong, because in women in Gujarat wear chaniya choli. Okay, and the piran is the dress of Kashmir. So the women in Gujarat wear pirans. This is wrong statement. So we will write here no. Okay, next, Suman will wear chaniya choli. Is this correct or wrong? See, we have read here that Suman said, I will wear a chaniya choli. See here, Suman said no, I will wear a chaniya choli. So this is correct statement. So we will write here yes. Y-E-S, yes. Okay. In the last, Raghu will wear vesti and a kurta. Is this correct? Let's see. Raghu said, I will wear a sherwani. Raghu said, I will wear a sherwani. So this is wrong statement. So we will write here no. We will write here no. Okay. So once again read with me. Independence Day is a national festival. Yes, this is correct statement. So we will write here yes. Second, it is a holiday for children. No, because on that day a function was there in Sunshine School. So this is wrong statement. So we will write here no. Next, the women in Gujarat wear pirans. No, because the women in Gujarat wear chaniya choli. Chaniya choli is the dress of Gujarat. Next, Suman will wear chaniya choli. Yes. In the last, Raghu will wear vesti and a kurta. No, because Raghu will wear sherwani. Okay. Now everyone, exercise B. Who said this? Who said this? Everyone look at the board. Students, who said this? Some sentences are there and we have to tell that who said these sentences. Okay. So first sentence, I will wear jeans and t-shirt. First sentence is, I will wear jeans and t-shirt. Let's see who said this sentence. See here. Peter said this. I will wear jeans and t-shirt. See here. Peter said this sentence, no? So we will write here Peter. P-E-T-E-R, Peter. So we will write here Peter. Okay? So next sentence. I want to wear my new frock. I want to wear my new frock. Who said this? See here, Rakhi. Rakhi said this. I want to wear my new frock. So we will write here Rakhi. R-A-K-H-I, Rakhi. Okay. Third, I will wear a chaniya choli. Who said this? Suman said this. I will wear, see here, I will wear a chaniya choli. Who said this? Suman. So we will write here Suman. S-U-M-A-N, Suman. Okay. And the next, I will wear a sherwani. I will wear a sherwani. Who said this? Raghu. I will wear, Raghu, see here. Raghu said, I will wear a sherwani. So here we will write Raghu. R-A-G-H-U, Raghu. And see last, I will dress up as a Kashmiri girl. I will dress up as a Kashmiri girl. Who said this? Shama. See here. Shama said, I will dress up as a Kashmiri girl. So here we will write Shama. S-H-A-M-A, Shama. Once again read with me. I will wear jeans and t-shirt. Who said this? Peter. Next, I want to wear my new frock. Rakhi said this sentence. I will wear a chaniya choli. Suman said this sentence. Okay. I will wear a sherwani. Who said? Raghu said this. I will dress up as a Kashmiri girl. Shama said this. Okay. So now we will do next exercise. Exercise E. Student, in exercise E, see here. Fill in the missing letters to name these national festivals. See here, some letters are already written here, and we have to fill in the missing letters to complete the name of the national festival. Okay, see here. Here we have to fill and write the dates on which they are celebrated. Here we have to write the dates on which date these festivals are celebrated. Okay, so everyone look at the board. First is R is written. So with R, which festival will start? Republic. Okay, so R-E-P is written. U-B-L-I is written. I-C, Republic Day. First is Republic Day. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C, Republic Day. And we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. So we will write here 26th January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. Okay. So next is, see, first blank. We will write here I. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. See, some letters are already written and we have to fill. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E, Independence Day. And we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. A-U-G-U-S-T. Okay. So next, third is G-A-N-D-H-I, Gandhi. J-A-Y-A-N-T-I, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay. So again, Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay, now we will do exercise G. Students, see, in exercise G, circle the words that can be made from the letters in the words Independence Day. See here, some words are written, and students, we have to circle that word that we can make from these letters Independence Day, which are in Independence Day. Okay, we have to circle only that word which we can make from these letters which are in Independence Day. So everyone look at the board. First word is dent, D-E-N-T, dent. So see, I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E, Independence Day. T is not there. T is not in Independence Day. So we cannot make dent from these letters. Okay, so we will not circle this. Now next is dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. So see, D is there, A is there, N is there, C is there, E is there. So we can make dance. So we will circle this. Okay, like this we have to make. Now N-I-C-E, nice. Can we make nice from these letters? Let's see. N-I-C-E. So we can make nice. So we will circle nice. Okay. Next is pen. P-E-N, pen. Can we make pen? Yes. P-E-N, pen. All three letters are here. So circle pen also. C-A-N, can. Can we make can? Let's see. C is there. A is also here. N is also here. So this also we can make from Independence Day. Next is P-A-Y, pay. Can we make? Yes, we can make. See, P is here, A-Y. So we will circle pay also. Next is D-A-Y, day. So day is written here. So this also we can circle. Next is C-U-T, cut. T is not here. U and T is not here. In Independence Day, U and T is not here. Any letter U and T. So we will not circle this. Next is deep, D-E-E-P, deep. Can we circle? Let's see. D-E-E-P. So we can circle deep. All four letters are there in this Independence Day. Okay. Next, D-E-N, den. Can we circle den? Yes. D-E-N, den. So this also we can circle. D-O-W-N, down. Can we circle down? See here. O is not here. W is not here. So we cannot circle this. And last is R-E-N-T, rent. Can we circle rent? No, because R is not here. So this also we cannot circle. Okay. Like this we will do this exercise. Okay, student. This is for today. Learn this exercise. If you have any problem, then call me. I will tell you. Bye-bye. Have a great day.